Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a partnership strategy with Google, beginner guide step by step clearly. Determine the objectives of your partnership with Google. Identify specific goals you want to achieve. Consider how the partnership aligns with your overall business strategy. Research Google's partnership programs. Visit Google's official website for partnership information. Explore different types of partnerships, such as affiliate, advertising, or technology collaborations. Evaluate if you meet the eligibility requirements for the partnership you're interested in. Gather your business information and prepare necessary documentation. Create a compelling value proposition. Articulate what benefits your partnership will bring to Google. Show how your business complements Google's offerings. Reach out to Google's partnership team. Use the contact forms or email addresses provided on their website. Craft a professional email that clearly states your intent. Be concise and direct in your communication. Follow up if you don't receive a response within a week. Build a relationship with Google representatives. Engage in discussions to better understand mutual interests. Prepare to negotiate the terms of the partnership. Be open to flexible arrangements that satisfy both parties. Draft a partnership agreement outlining roles and responsibilities. Ensure the agreement includes performance metrics and evaluation criteria. Launch your partnership by executing the plans developed in your agreement. Work closely with Google to implement collaborative strategies. Monitor the partnership's performance regularly. Adjust strategies as needed based on feedback and results. Communicate openly with Google throughout the partnership. Share updates on successes and challenges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.